Hey guys, Gary the RPM Diecast, and today we are going to be cracking open some stuff that I've had put aside. I've got some premiums, I've got some main lines, a couple of main lines. I've got a Majorette and a Greenlight, which, two things, I have a couple M2s. I don't think I have any Greenlight, so this will be the first Greenlight that I open. And I think I have a Majorette. I don't recall. No, I don't. I forgot. I ended up not opening it. It was a Porsche, pink Porsche. But anyway, let's get to crack-a-lackin'. The first car I'm going to crack is, well, it's a truck, and I know there's going to be some Datsun Sunny truck videos coming up, but the first one's going to be Datsun Sunny truck with the Brie livery on it. I think this is a Boulevard. Yeah, number 46 of the Boulevards. Oh my goodness. I have two other Sunny ones. So there's the yellow one and then the blue and white one. So I got both of those, but... super nice. I love the Sunny trucks. Well, as you'll see, because I have... the last video is a Sunny truck, and then the next video is also a Sunny truck, but it's a bigger Sunny truck. The next one is a Mercedes-Benz 190E. Another Boulevard, again, number 84. Try and crack this open. Oh my. So nice. I'll try and move my face out of the way. There we go. I love these, I don't know what you call them, window bands? Window banners? Toyo tires. Like RWB puts them on all their cars. Yeah, the next one is a mainline. Well, it's the silver. Women in Fast and Furious. The Mazda RX-8. Again, the silver ones, there's no... no rubber wheels, no real riders, nothing like that, but detailed headlights, detailed taillights. Detailed taillights. Really nice. Next one we'll do is the Majorette. So this is a Nismo GT3 Nissan GTR, but it's like the R35, but it's just the... I don't know if this card means anything. I'm just gonna... Oh yeah, it gives you stats, I guess. It's a V6 BI turbo, 3,799 cc. 315 kilometers an hour, 2.8 second 0 to 100 kilometers. Huh, pretty cool. This one has opening doors. Plastic wing, plastic base. This kind of feels cheap. Like the body's die cast, but it's plastic everywhere else. I don't know if you can see that. It says Nismo on here. Pretty cool. Nismo on the back as well. It's nice. It's just... Are these rubber even? No, they're like plastic, textured plastic wheels. Huh. I mean, like I said, I don't remember ever opening one, so. Another mainline we'll do is this Nissan R390 GT1 in white. pinged off my ring. Detail headlights, detail taillights, which I didn't think this was going to have, but it does. I'm going to go grab scissors for the Greenlight. Well, I'll be right back. Okay, got scissors. So next is this Greenlight. It is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon with 2020 Indian Scout Bobber Icon Series. I don't know what it is about this, because you guys know I do mostly wide body kitted stuff. I mean, technically it's got flares, so technically it's a wide body. This drew to me. I saw it on our pegs and immediately was like, I gotta have it, because it's, I don't know if it's this little Indian motorbike. I don't know what, the color. I just love it. I honestly just love it. And this is my first Greenlight that I've ever opened, so. I heard the quality is kind of like an M2, where it's kind of, it could be better, but again, I've never had one, so I'm not gonna say my opinion, because I don't have one yet, at least. Cutting her open. Cool little hobby shop background. Oh, that is so nice. I think that's supposed to come off. Yeah, it's a Jeep. I'm just assuming that's supposed to come off. And hopefully I didn't just break it because I got big old meat hooks. Let's see, this came off. And I just dropped it. But yeah, this color, it definitely looked more matte on the outside of the packaging, but still really nice. I should take that off. And this, I'm not sure if we had a customer or not. And this little motorcycle, it's so cute. Really nice detail for being so small. If I can get this camera to focus, we'd be good. It's trying to focus on my fingers, I think, is the problem. And it does come with a stand. So I keep looking, I keep thinking customers coming in, but yeah, we're good. What is it with me dropping stuff in this video? My goodness. So this, I'm assuming, you put the wheel in. Yeah, like that. Oh, wait a minute. I'll be right back once I figure this out. Okay, so I thought that the bike was supposed to go in the back of the Jeep, but I don't think it is, because this little stand that comes with it, I think is just so it'll sit flat. Come on, camera. I think it's so it can sit flat on the ground. Because I tried putting it in the back of the Jeep and it doesn't fit any way, shape, or form. But it does stand by itself when you have that little thing. That is awesome. I love it. I love it. Second last one, I think. No, oh, I didn't know there was more in here. So there's 4 more actually. So this is the Porsche 71 Porsche 911. I was not expecting that pop. I'm just gonna use these scissors. Don't judge me. Next we have a 1990 Acura NSX mainline. Beefy wheels. Just look at those back ones. They are beefcakes. Next is the Nissan Silvia S15. the Mona Lisa, as they nickname it. I actually just sold the original, or the first time they did this. I put it up for auction on my eBay store. But I'm opening this one because it's way cheaper. Plastic spoiler, dinky plastic spoiler. And last but not least is this 81 Toyota Starlet, the silver Hot Wheels, but it's the J imports. That was it for what I have to unbox. Now sadly, I'm out of room, so you won't see me putting them up on my displays because they're going to end up just being bubble wrapped individually and put into a box till I get another display. I'm obviously going to swap some because I have some doubles I noticed, so I'm going to swap probably the ones I like the most. This Sunny truck, that Mercedes, this Rubicon Gladiator. Really liked them. I really liked them. Anyway guys, let me go get the giveaway. I'll be right back. So for the giveaway, I have this R34 Fast and Furious. Now I do actually have one of these up for sale again on the eBay store. I'll link it down below. I started it at $2. I don't know what it goes for, but I'm also giving this one away and this Super T-Hunt. But other than that, yeah, that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Make sure you comment down below your favorite casting and keep on collecting.